In this video, we're going to start learning about fractional shares and specifically what Canadian investors need to know. Let's get started. The first question we need to ask is, what are fractional shares? Simply put, instead of buying one whole share of a stock or ETF, fractional shares allow you to buy a fraction or portion of a share. But how do fractional shares actually work? For that, let's look at an example to make it clearer. Let's say a stock costs $100, but you only have $50 to invest in that company. You buy $50 worth of that stock as a fractional share. That means you would now own 0.5 shares in that company. Then let's say the next month you want to invest an additional $100. Since the stock costs $100, assuming the price hasn't changed since you last bought it, investing $100 will allow you to buy one more share. At that point, you would own a total of 1.5 shares in that company. If you later invested an additional $50, you would then own exactly 2 whole shares, and so on. So when do fractional shares make sense for investors? One of the biggest benefits of fractional shares is that it allows beginner investors to start investing with as little as $1. Instead of waiting until you have the exact amount of money to buy a specific stock or ETF, you can start investing immediately. And that's a pretty big benefit when you factor in the power of compound interest. And then consider that while you're waiting months to save up for a single full share, the money you're setting aside will be doing nothing for you. Instead, fractional shares can be a smart way to put your money to work immediately. Now that all sounds very positive, but like all financial matters, there are some important potential downsides to fractional investing you should know about. The first is that while you do legally own the fractional portion of your investment, according to Canadian law, you could run into trouble if you decide to transfer your portfolio to a different brokerage platform. Most brokerages can't transfer fractional shares to a different platform the same way they can with whole shares. That's because the brokerage holds the full share amount on their books. So in order to transfer a portion of that to an entirely different brokerage, they usually have to sell your portion of that fractional share first and then transfer the resulting cash to the new platform, which may also trigger tax obligations on your part. The other potential disadvantage to fractional shares is that they are usually only available for straightforward order types and trading strategies. So, for example, you wouldn't be able to use fractional shares for Norbit's Gambit or in some advanced order types, but that depends on your brokerage platform. That said, if you're not planning on switching brokerages or using advanced trading strategies, you likely won't come across any issues when it comes to fractional investing. Not every trading platform in Canada supports fractional shares, so where can you actually do this? Our top picks for brokerages that do support fractional investing are Wealthsimple, Questrade, and Interactive Brokers. Both Questrade and Wealthsimple don't charge any commission fees when trading stocks and ETFs, while Interactive Brokers charge a very small fee per trade compared to most other platforms. Consider Wealthsimple if you're a beginner or prioritize a simple, clean user experience. Questrade may be better suited for investors who plan to grow their portfolio through more advanced investing strategies. And Interactive Brokers is ideal for self-directed investors who want to expand into international markets outside of North America. You can get started or learn more about each platform in our full review guides linked in the description below. That leaves us with the last question: how do you actually buy fractional shares? The process to buy fractional shares is the same as any other stock or ETF. Simply look up the stock or ETF you're interested in on your brokerage app or website. You can search for it using the ticker symbol or name. Then press the buy or trade button and enter the amount in dollars that you'll want to invest. If you don't see an option to enter a dollar amount and instead only see an option to select how many shares you want to purchase, that means your brokerage platform doesn't offer fractional shares for that security. While all the brokerage platforms we talk about in this video offer fractional shares for thousands of stocks and ETFs, no platform supports fractional shares on all securities. Instead, brokerages tend to offer fractional shares for a preset list of the most popular stocks and ETFs. So there you have it. You not only know what fractional shares are, but you also know how to decide if they're right for you and how to start investing. If you want to learn more about fractional investing, check out our full guide linked in the description. And let us know in the comments how fractional shares play into your investing goals. Subscribe for more helpful financial tips. Thanks for watching.